this point, I can't help or stop myself. I want Chuks. Fred is at work. We are all alone. I want him. I really do. I think I have fallen in love with him. I can't wait even for a day more. I just want him today. Now.
My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading. I wish you can hear my voice and save us from falling.
Chuks!
Hi. What? No. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Babe, what about La Prazo?
Anyone?
Anyone? I still have other places though. Let me show you the pictures. I love this place because of the beach. The beach, the flowers, the colors. This place will be good for pictures. What do you think? Look at this one. I think I'll take this place.
Then go for it.
Yes. Babe, you help me select gifts for him.
Telma,
Yes.
every year I see you putting so much effort in making Fred's birthday a memorable one. You spend a whole lot.
Well, it never puts little efforts to remember mine, right?
Exactly.
Well, at times we lead by example.
It is not your duty to lead. You are a woman. Paul initiate these things in our marriage.
I know, but marriages are different. My husband cannot be like yours. If he doesn't initiate romance, I will lead him.
Babe, tell me for how long? You and I know that this has been going on for so long.
I know. I know my husband is not romantic. I know he's not caring. But I'm going to teach him. I am going to let him remember my next birthday so that he's going to get everything right.
Good luck.
It's fine. So, will you still help me get the gifts?
I don't know.
Are you serious?
You will know his choice better.
All right, it's fine. I'll select them myself. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!
Thank you.
Happy
Thank
birthday,
you.
my love.
Thank you.
Wow. So, today is jam-packed. Thankfully, it's Saturday, so no work.
Yeah.
First, we'll do breakfast and then jacuzzi bath. And baby, I'm going to take you out to 3 different places. A fun place, game place, and a shopping place.
Oh, nice.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, first we're going to start with breakfast.
Okay, food, yeah.
Time is ticking. Okay.
Okay, no eggs. No eggs.
It's inside the...
No, I mean like the one that's outside. Okay, I
No,
can manage this one.
baby, it's
Yes.
inside the toasted
No,
bread
I
now.
I prefer it, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll manage
You
it.
want to complain?
Complain, me complain.
Today is your birthday.
So saying what I like is complaining now.
No.
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. You spoiled me today. It's I really appreciate it.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, no, I like it. It's nice. One or two things,
You love it, right?
Huh?
You love it.
I mean, I like it. It's one or two things that I like,
Okay. Now,
I mean, it feels like I bought it for myself. It's my money that you use.
hey,
But
baby.
okay.
Come on. I bought it with my money.
Okay.
Okay, now is the time for action in the other room.
What do you mean?
The other room.
Oh, okay. I have a Zoom meeting, but we can still do it. We need to be fast, though. You understand? The Zoom meeting was supposed to start like 10 minutes ago, but it's okay. We can rush. Babe, come on now. Or should I do the Zoom meeting first?
No, just...
Okay.
Finally, I got his attention. His birthdays are the only time he gives me access to create moments for the both of us. Sometimes I wish he would be like this daily. I wish he would reciprocate. I'll keep being patient, hoping someday he will change and things will be better. But what's the point of trying to look good for someone that does not notice me? I keep taking extra effort to look good, but Fred doesn't notice me. I just wish he can appreciate my effort. Call me beautiful. Be the best wife. He's here. Hold on, baby.
Hey.
Hey.
Took you a while.
Yeah. Welcome back, my love.
Yes. I have a Zoom meeting. Food.
So all the effort I put in looking good for him, he didn't even notice me. I think it's high time I tell him my mind.
My eyes can see you, but I cannot feel your touch. You seem so close to me, but very far away. To heaven to hold, you promised me. My eyes can see you, but I cannot feel your touch. You seem so close to me, but very far
Baby.
away. To heaven to hold, you promised me.
Baby, we barely talk. We barely spend time together. You just spend all your day at the office. You come home, you spend all night working. The last time we made love was at your birthday.
Okay, complaining again. What, do you need money? If you need money, I can give you money. That's not a problem.
I don't want money.
You sure about that?
I don't need money. I have enough money. I have an online business that gives me money. I just want you to create time for us. Let's spend time as couples.
Babe, I don't have time for that. I can't do that. Okay, I have to work. You know this.
I'm just tired of staying in this house alone. It gets so bored. My friend is not visiting anytime soon. And every time I just walk around this house talking to myself like a mad person.
I totally forgot about this. My brother, Chuks, is coming to town. Did you get me? He was going to stay in one of our apartments, but since you're complaining about loneliness, he'll just stay here, keep you company.
Baby, I don't need your brother. I need you.
You just said that you need someone to talk to, that you're bored and lonely, right? You don't want to be talking to yourself. You guys talk well. You guys get along, right? You have great conversations. So he'll keep you company.
I need your friendship. I need your companionship. Baby, please. I need you to see me. I need you to feel me. I need you to make love to me.
You need me to do this. You need me to do that. Do this, do that, do that. Who's going to make the money? I need to make the money, okay? So you can wear these expensive diamonds and stuff.
We are going to make the money. We will, okay? We just have to create a balance. And then put our romantic life in place.
Yeah, but for now, he's coming to Lagos, okay? He's going to stay here till he finds his feet, okay?
My eyes can see you, but I cannot feel your touch. You seem so close to me, but very far away. To heaven to hold, you promised me. My eyes can see you, but I cannot feel your touch. You seem so close to me, but very far away. To heaven to hold, you promised me. I'm married but single.
Sometimes I wonder if it's the same woman who raised the both of them.
I miss you, babe.
Unlike my husband, Chuks is so expressive and friendly. I know he's going to lessen the burden, but I really do wish my husband is the one that is more friendly.
amazing. Amazing. This is beautiful. This is outstanding. Spectacular. It tastes just like the food served in heaven. I'm telling you.
I don't know what you're talking about. Have you been to heaven before?
I mean, no, but I can imagine. You cook so well, T. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No one has ever told me that before.
What you mean? Fred, you don't tell her?
What?
You don't tell her about her food?
Oh, the food? The food is not bad. You know, she's not a bad cook. Do you get me? The fact that I eat her food is compliments enough that she's okay in cooking. Do you get me? This fish, though, has a lot of bone, and I think there's too much salt in it, but I manage, you know, it's not bad. It's not bad.
Bruh. Really? Really?
What?
This is great. There are a lot of good cook, but hers is amazing. It's special. Damn. Telma, your food is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Too.
Oh.
Thank you.
This bone. Too much bone.
Where are you eating the bone? Because I've not even eaten any bone. Is it not the
I
same?
guess I'm the only one that has the one with bone now.
Bro, stop. Just
This fish is too skinny.
Eat your
There's
food.
no meat in the bone.
Eat your food. Give her some compliments. You won't die. Come on, bro.
The salad is too much as well. But it's okay.
You didn't just say that. Don't mind him. Don't mind him.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey.
Sis? Are you okay?
I'm okay. I was just thinking about something.
Let me guess. You're thinking about my brother. Oh, I go love. I go love. Huh. This love is sweet, oh. You know, I just want to get married to someone that will be thinking about me 24/7. I want to live rent free in her mind.
Wow. Yes. Sure, she will always think about you.
Yeah.
You are loving and caring. So why not?
Oh. I know, right?
Yeah.
I can't wait. I cannot wait.
Let me help you.
No. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm almost done. It's fine. You don't want to mess up your fine nails. Come on. This guy was actually going to jump off this cliff.
Are you
I'm
serious?
telling you, like,
I don't think so.
watch now.
He wants to jump.
I'm telling you, he's gonna jump. Yo. What's wrong with him? This guy is crazy.
I guess he's mentally unstable.
It's mentally unstable, as you can see. His friend is even trying to put him under control.
It's not normal to just stand there and don't kill yourself.
Oh no, man. Nigga, get your ass down there.
Uh-huh.
Playing. Oh, yo.
Finally, she's occupied. There's a solution to every problem, you know? I'll be solving problems at work, solving problems at home. Now, no more nagging for nonsense. Great.
Oh. Hey, wake up. Wakey, wakey. Sis, wake up.
Yes.
It's time to go to bed. Okay?
Okay.
I'll walk you to your door. I don't want you to say you're not cared for. Easy. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, 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 easy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go. Easy. Watch your step. Watch your step. Careful. Easy. Watch your step. Watch your step. Easy. 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 All right. Good night.
Good night. Let's do something more fun after this. Watch movies or play games. Anything. What do you think?
I won't be available. I need to step out to handle something.
Fred, today is Saturday, no work.
Yeah, but I still have one or two business deals that I have to take care of, you know?
Okay.
I mean, Chuks is here, right? And his appointment is next week. So you can fill in for me.
Yeah. Don't worry, sis. I got you. Got you.
These films are real, man.
Yeah, they are. And the makeup at top notch, I'm not going to lie.
The what?
The makeup. Look at her face now.
You're looking at her makeup.
Yeah.
I'm looking at her outline. You're talking about makeup. Which one is makeup again? You're looking at the makeup.
Is it not you? I trust you now. Yeah, but the makeup is on point.
Mad.
The effects of the...
Hello.
the Sister, sister.
When you sit down, don't just slump like that because the legs of the chair is not strong. Do you get me? So you don't break it. I've told you this many times.
Sister Telma, you look beautiful.
Thank
You
you.
smell nice too.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You say the nicest thing.
I mean, what can I say? I just love how you take care of yourself and you like to always look nice, even at night. I mean, my future wife has to learn from you.
Thank you so much, Chuks.
You're welcome.
That's so sweet.
This girl. Bro, just think it's real.
It's real now. Oh no,
Eh,
it's makeup. It's makeup. It's not real.
makeup. Who's talking about makeup? You have makeup. I'm talking about her ass now. Do you understand?
They what? They what?
The back gift from God or doctor. I want to know. Is it from God or is it from doctor?
I don't
Bro, it's
know.
looking too good to be real.
It has to be real now. I mean, what can I say?
All this like, and she looks like Sino too. They like BBL. Hi. Problem. I don't even like this thing, sir. I don't even.
Like, I don't understand. Is it not the same woman that gave birth to you both? Is it not your brother?
What are you talking about?
No, why are you different?
First of all, keep your voice down, okay? I'm trying to focus, okay? And why are you comparing me and my brother?
No, I am not. It is a duty as a husband to relate with the wife. Fred, we are not in a relationship. This is marriage. But as it is now, you're just in a relationship with your job.
Well, I'm working because I have to make money, okay? I have to make money so you can live like this and maintain this lifestyle, okay? Somebody has to do it.
Baby, I know. That's why I am enduring this. It is not ideal. We can find a balance, okay? Did you hear what I said?
Huh? I'm sorry, I'm trying to get this through.
I'm married but single. I miss you, baby. I'm married but single. I miss you, baby.
Hey, Kate. I don't understand. What's going on? Eh? You look so good. You glow differently. Excuse me, what's happening? The smile. What is popping? Babe, tell me, what is going on?
What else, babe? My dearest husband won't stop looking for different ways to blow me off my mind. Last night was off the roof.
Okay.
I was so mesmerized. I didn't even know it's still showing. Do you know everybody has been asking me?
Oh, well.
This is the face of a lady well loved and pampered. Both in and outside the other room.
Wow. I see. Unfortunately, I cannot relate.
Oh,
I have not had sex in a long time.
for real?
Yeah, for real. The only thing I can relate is that Fred provides money. Minus that, he does not perform any spousal duty. We only have sex on his birthday, Father's Day, anniversary.
Oh,
That's it.
you're not serious right
I'm
now.
serious. Oh, Chuks.
Hi.
Hi,
Welcome.
thank you.
Hi, sis.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm stepping out to get something.
Okay.
All right.
All right, take care.
You too. Do you want me to get anything for you?
No, I don't want anything. Thank you.
No? You're cool?
Yes, I'm cool.
Too cool for an ice cream?
Oh, ice cream. I want
You want Neapolitan with a blend of vanilla, strawberry, chocolate diced with coconut chips.
Chuks. You're so detailed. You remembered everything.
Yeah, I'll get it for you.
Thank
All right, see you guys around. Bye.
My husband's brother. Oh, Chips is so amazing. Can you imagine? I spoke to him about this ice cream flavor when we were having the slightest conversation, and he took note of that. And I've been talking to my husband about this for years, and he doesn't even remember anything.
And your husband had the mind to bring him in this house. Babe, did you see that guy? Did you see the chest? Ooh,
So,
tall, chocolate, cute. The body is bodying. Does he want you to fall in love with him?
babe, don't go there. I can't do that. Why would I do that? No, now, stop it.
Nothing is impossible, my sister. Nothing. Even the devil wear white. That is why you don't give room to the devil. Well, he's cute though.
Babe, you see that thing on your mind? Forget it. I can never fall in love with my husband's brother.
Well, that is your family problem. Yes, did I tell you that we rescheduled our travel?
Oh, you did?
Yes, next week.
Oh, babe. Wow. I am so, so, so happy for you.
Thank you.
No wonder you're so happy.
Yes,
This married thing is really looking good on you.
my husband is the best.
He's the best, really.
He takes good care of me.
I envy you right now.
So no breakfast for me, huh?
Fred, I told you I'm sick.
Well, that's quite unfortunate. An inconvenience for me, okay? I hate eating outside, you know that. Okay, I don't like eating from strangers. Who knows if they use the hand they used to wipe their butts to make the food? How hygienic is it? And you know this. I feel like you can make a little bit of an effort. Help me out. Make some noodles or something. Forget the noodles. Make pasta. It's easy to make. Doesn't take too much effort. Put some chicken, garnish it. That's all I'm asking.
I am sick. I can't.
No problem. I'll attack my day with an empty stomach. Help me put the flip-flops back over there.
Why, Fred? Why are you so selfish?
What do you mean I'm selfish? I just said no problem. I'm going to go about my day hungry now because of you. I said no problem. Who's selfish in this situation? Huh? No problem. My brother's going to drive you to the hospital. I don't think you need it, but you must. Forget about the flip-flops. I did it myself. So I'm doing everything myself now. Take care.
Morning, bro.
Good morning, bro. Oh,
Breakfast is ready.
you saved the day, bro. Thank you.
You're welcome, bro.
I was trying to convince Dee to make breakfast, but she wouldn't even make an attempt. I'm confused.
Well, I figured she didn't come down as early as she used to, which means she's tired. So I decided to fill up for her. I mean, she's been the one feeding us. Why not we reciprocate?
It's her duty as a woman and a wife, okay? And she can't deny me my rights as a man to have a good breakfast before I go about my day. It doesn't even make sense, just because she's tired. Well, I left her because she's sick. If not,
What? She's sick?
Huh?
She's sick?
Yeah. This looks nice, actually. I like the variety in the pasta. And this is what I was asking her to do. Just pasta. Not like I was asking her to cook a 3-course meal. Do you get me? Just pasta.
It's fine.
Doesn't take that much effort.
Just enjoy your meal, okay?
Thank you.
I'll take hers to her. Hey sis, food is right. Jesus Christ. Is this serious? Oh my goodness, you're burning up.
I need to use the restroom.
You want to use the restroom?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I want to pee.
Okay, come. Sorry.
Sorry, man.
I'm so sorry. Sorry. You'll be fine. Yo, bro.
So it's delicious, by the way. Thank you.
Telma is sick. Like, really, really sick. And you're going to work?
What do you mean? Yeah, she's a bit down. Of course I'm going to work. I have to go to work to make money. Okay? It's not like she has AIDS. Thank God. That would affect me. Or that she has cancer. If she had cancer herself, she didn't make breakfast for me. That's no excuse.
Oh, come on, bro. Why? This is selfish.
What are you talking about? This is selfish. Bro, have you forgotten mom? Huh? She would wake up every day and make sure there was food for us to eat. Every single day she made sure there was food in the household. Okay? No excuses. You think she wasn't sick sometimes? I know for a fact she was sick sometimes because I saw her. Okay? But she made sure we always had food.
Fred.
Yes.
So because our mother of old generation did it, you expect Telma to do the same thing?
That is the very least she could do. Honestly. The very least. That's what makes her a virtuous woman.
Brother, I am not going to lie to you. This is all shades of wrong. It is. You shouldn't even be going to work today. You should be taking her to the hospital. Take care of your wife.
You're going to take us to the hospital. Thank God you're here. Because if I didn't take us to the hospital, she would have nagged forever, honestly. Like, whoa.
Brother, aside from the fact that I have a meeting with the investors today, I can't do it. This is your responsibility as the husband. This is on you, bro.
I totally forgot that you had the investor meeting today. Go for your meeting, bro. I'm going to work. Nothing is stopping me from going to work. Go for your meeting, okay? She's a superwoman. She'll be fine. It's nothing.
Fred, come on.
Bro, don't stress me now. Which one is Fred? Come on. Don't stress me. What's this? It's too much now. If you want to stress yourself, you can take her to the hospital. Yeah? Thank you for the food, bro. Take care.
Easy. Take it easy. Easy. Take it easy. Easy. Careful. Easy. Careful. Sorry. Careful. Hello? Please, I can't talk right now. I'll call you back later, okay? Thank you.
to me, but very far away. To heaven to hold, you promised me. My eyes can't see you, but I cannot feel your touch. You seem so close to me, but very far away. To heaven to hold, you promised me. I'm married but single. I miss you, baby. I'm married but single. I miss you, baby.
Thank God he has gone. Gosh, Telma, you can't start catching feelings for him. Adultery is a no-no, and not with Fred's brother. I wish Fred can be like Chuks, caring, romantic. I wish. He hasn't even called me throughout the day to know how I'm feeling. But when he's sick, I take extra care of him.
My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading. I wish you can hear my voice and save us from falling. My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading.
Hey,
Hey, bro.
bro. How you
How's it
doing?
going? Welcome.
Thank you.
I was expecting your call all day. You didn't call.
For what?
Your wife.
What?
She's sick, remember?
Oh! Yeah, that's true. I almost forgot about that. How's she doing? She's better now, right? She's good?
She's better now.
Great. I told you, right?
Fred. This is not how to marry a woman. I won't lie.
It's not how to marry a woman. You're telling me how to marry a woman. Huh? As someone that has 10 years experience in the game of marriage, Abi, is that what you're saying?
That's not what I'm
But
saying.
you're not even married.
That's not what I am saying.
So what are you saying?
I'm just saying that Telma deserves to be treated better.
I see what's going on here. Okay.
What?
She said you should talk to me, Abi. She's filled your head with information.
She
That's
did
what's
not
going
tell
on.
me anything.
Are you sure about that?
Of course. I'm just trying to advise you here.
Chuks.
What?
Come on now. You know my small bro now. Which one is advice again? You want to advise me? Let's keep it respectful, okay? Yeah, let's keep it respectful. Which one is like advising me again? I don't understand.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Hopefully she cooked. She cooked?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow. You cooked again. You're covering for me. You're covering for her. Look at that. You're the brother of the year. I'll make you an award, brother of the year. Well done. Thank
I'll
you.
serve you your food.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks, bro. I can't believe she didn't even cook. Bet she's still sleeping.
Welcome.
Yeah, how you feeling? Huh? Thank God Chuks cooked though, honestly. Because what would I have eaten? Like, it's a dangerous thing. Like, hungry man. It's a dangerous man.
Is that all you care about?
What else am I supposed to care about?
Losing me.
Oops. Honey, you're so dramatic, honestly. How am I going to lose you because of this small fever? Eh? She said losing me. You're not going to die now. It's not that serious. Hey, listen, thank God Chuks cooked, because if you didn't cook, I would have nagged you so much. The nagging would have been worse than this sickness. I'm being honest with you. Like, she said she would die. Hey, come on. You're so dramatic. You know that, right? Hey, I've lost weight from this food I haven't eaten. Let me go and eat. Like this woman.
Food. Food. That's all he cares about. My health never matters. But whenever he's sick, I was always there. I take care of him till he's strong. It's so sad giving my 99% and receiving 1% from Fred. This is so unfair.
I'm married but single. I miss you, baby. I'm married but single. I miss you, baby. My love drifting away. My feelings fading.
T. Wake up. Need to go do my coffee, okay? It's 6 o'clock and you're still sleeping. What's going on? I need to commence with my day, okay? Do the routine. Come on, let's go.
Oh, Fred.
What?
Fred, I am still recovering now.
Which one is that you're still recovering? You're alive. What are you recovering from? You're alive. Eh? You're going to use this as an excuse now not to do your duties. That was good. See, I need you to go and do this coffee. I don't have time, okay? I'm already late.
Do your stuff today now.
I should do my stuffs today.
Yes.
What's that supposed to mean? Huh? I should do my stuffs. Maybe next time you need money, you should do your own stuffs. I'm not doing my stuffs. I'm married to myself. Which means I need to go and do my stuffs. Next time you need money, maybe you need to go and make your own money. How could you be so selfish? You need to consider other people. Especially the guy that's keeping the lights on. Let's go and do my stuffs. I need to go and do my own coffee. Makes sense. I'm waking up before you. Be considerate once in a while. To do my own coffee, this doesn't really make sense. So, very lazy.
Morning, bro.
Morning.
Bro. You good? What's up? You good?
Huh? Is it not tea? She said I should make my own coffee this morning. What's that supposed to mean? Because she's feeling slightly sick. She's not even that sick. Is she in ICU? Is she on drip? Said I should make my own coffee this morning. The disrespect. This is what I have to take in this house, though.
Fred.
This is what I have to take in this house.
Fred, come on. You really expect her to make coffee? She is sick.
She's not that sick. How sick is she? Does she have cancer? See, you shouldn't be talking like this because you remember her mother. She was always there when we needed her. Even when we didn't need her, she was there. That's what makes you a virtuous woman. This one is complaining about small fever. Do you know how many times I have fever and still go to work?
Fred, you're unbelievable. You're just unbelievable. How would you feel if someone treats your daughter this way?
What are you talking about? I have no idea what you're talking about right now.
How would you feel if someone asks your daughter to do domestic chores despite the fact she being sick?
This one is not that sick. Bro, stop saying that to me. She's not that sick. And I hate doing all this domestic stuff. She knows I hate it. She's putting me through this on purpose. How do you even open this thing? Eh?
Relax. You know
She
what?
knows I hate this thing. She's putting me through this
I'm
thing
not going
on
to lie
purpose.
to you, Fred. This is wrong.
All
All shades of wrong. But no problem. It's fine. I'll handle it. Matter of fact,
Don't do this again tomorrow. I understand and I appreciate your kindness, but don't do this again tomorrow.
I will take over her duties from now. I'm not complaining.
She'll think it's your duty now, not her duty.
It's fine.
You're making her lazy.
Don't worry about
I bet you had extra coffee. Yeah, I need energy today. I don't know what's going on. Thank you so much. Black, don't put sugar.
Yes, sir.
That was all.
Thank you.
You know you shouldn't be thanking me. You're not the only person living in this house. We all do. So, it shouldn't be just you running the house chores, okay? I mean, after all, you work remotely and also earn salary. So, we shouldn't just leave the responsibility of running the house chores for you alone. So, don't thank me.
Your future wife will be lucky to have you.
Thank you. Okay. I'm done with this. Let me go get them up.
Okay.
Right back.
Thank you. Chuks. Chuks is everything I need in a man. Unfortunately, he's my husband's younger brother.
Okay. Hey, sis.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm good. Wow. You're cooking.
Yeah, making fried rice and little sauce.
I'm okay now. I can cook. What?
What are you doing? I'm not going to let you cook. You are still recovering, so no, I won't let you cook. Don't even try to argue. Don't sweat it. Just go and relax and let me do my thing. All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you want to have some carrots. All right, I'll give you this one. How you feeling now, though?
Good.
Feel good? All right, let's go.
Just send the amount. I'll send it to you. Is it money? Okay.
Fred, you don't remember.
Remember what?
I've been giving you hints.
Hints about what?
Fred, it's my birthday. Today is my birthday.
Oh. Oh, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. Happy birthday. Hey, look at you. You're getting older. Hey, you don't get old. How was that song go again? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And the rest, you know. I have to go to work now. Enjoy yourself, eh? There was too much sugar in the tea, actually. I have to manage. Take care.
I'm married but single. I miss you, baby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Telma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Telma.
Chuks, how did you know?
I know now. It's the same time last year.
And you
definitely.
remembered.
Of course, have it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Got this for you.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure. So hey, I need you to stop all this. Go and prepare, because I'm taking you out and I'm spoiling you silly. Okay? Whatever you want, you're gonna get. It's your day.
Thank you, Chuks. You just brightened my sad day.
Oh please, you shouldn't be sad today. Today is your birthday, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday, love. Alright, it's okay. Go and prepare, and I'm waiting for you. We're going out. We're going to have fun today. Today is going to be all about you. Alright?
Thank you.
Help me drop this one. And this, my shoe, drop it there, huh? Let me drop the phone there.
So Fred is cheating on me now. No wonder he stopped caring. Even when I'm sick. My birthday, our anniversary, he doesn't care about them anymore. All because of another woman.
Hi, sis. Are you good? Hey, 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 hey. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. It's okay. What's the problem? It's okay. Sorry.
My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading. I wish you can hear my voice and save us from falling. My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading. I wish you could hear my voice and save us from falling.
Come in. Oh, what's up?
Hey, bro. What's good?
Good, doing good, doing good. You know, what's up with you?
Everything cool.
Great.
What's up with your wife?
Huh?
Your wife. She looks really sad.
What's the big deal? Everybody gets sad sometimes. You know, we have our ups, we have our downs. It's normal.
Come on, bro.
I beg you, please, don't stress me with this, okay? She's going to be fine, I promise you. Don't bother yourself, honestly. She'll be good. It's not a big deal.
Okay. It's okay. Don't worry, just leave it. I'll take it over from here. Just leave it and insist, okay? Relax. Just go and rest. Go and rest, okay?
complaining. It's a miracle. It's like a repenter. I'm loving it.
And save us from falling. My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading.
Fred! Fred?
What's up?
I'm coming. Your wife, she has been unusually quiet. Have you checked in on her to know what's up?
You said quiet, right?
Yeah.
It's a miracle. I love it. I love it so much, honestly. Like, I'm loving this new version of her.
Bro,
Yeah?
a woman's silence is very dangerous. It's better she's all loud and nagging than
God forbid.
silent.
God forbid. Honestly. See this new version of her? I love it. She should stay like... I'm falling in love with her again. Like, all over again. Honestly. Okay?
You're falling in love with her.
I swear. Like, she should just stay quiet. No nagging, no complaining all the time. Like, I love it. You get me?
Brother.
No. I'm going to work, okay? Have a great day.
You should just...
I should go to work and enjoy my wife's quietness. Take care.
Have a nice day.
What's up?
Hi. How are you?
I'm better.
I was wondering if you'd be okay staying out by yourself today. I rescheduled my meeting with the investors.
Don't worry, I'm okay.
You sure?
Yes, sure.
Okay. I'm still going to call you just in case.
I miss him already. I think I'm beginning to fall for him. Or maybe I am using him as a backup for the hurt Fred cost me when I discovered he was cheating on me. Chuks. Chuks is just so kind. Always there for me. He's everything I want in a man. But no. He's Fred's brother. I can't do this. This is all shades of wrong.
My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading. I wish you can hear my voice and save us from falling. My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading. I wish you can hear my voice and save us from falling.
Oh, this house feels empty without Chuks. I'm counting down to evening when he returns. This used to be how I feel for Fred. But not anymore. He has quenched my love for him. Right now, I feel nothing. Absolutely nothing. Chuks. Chuks is so perfect.
Hello?
My sister-in-law.
Oh, Chuks. Please call me Telma. We're more than in-laws, okay? We're friends.
Okay.
So how is it going?
Still meeting with the investors. Took a short visit to the restaurant so I can check up on you.
Aww. That's so sweet.
Are you good?
Yes, yes, I'm good.
Okay. I'll call you again in the next 30 minutes.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thanks for being a good wife to my brother and a good sister-in-law to me.
It's a pleasure.
Okay. Talk to you later.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
My love stripped away. My feelings fading. I wish you could hear my voice and save us from falling. My love stripped away. My feelings fading. I
Hold on.
wish you could hear my voice and save us from falling.
Welcome back.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
All right.
How was your day?
That's great. You look beautiful.
Thank you. You noticed?
Of course I did. I got you this.
What's this?
Ice cream.
Oh, wow, that's so nice of you. How did you know I love ice cream? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me go freshen up.
Yeah, you sure do need it.
How was your day?
Well, good. But now that you're here, it's going to be better.
Yeah? All right.
Are you serious? So I was trying to dodge it like, did you actually want to reply? It won't make sense.
No.
When was the last time you took ice cream?
Say 5 years.
That means it's been long. You went on a romantic date.
Very long, actually.
Yeah.
Look at it though.
Welcome.
Ace. Take this one upstairs.
Welcome, bro.
You're looking ice cream.
Wait till man go do now.
Waiting boy go do. This one don't be man. Work was okay. Tell you watching.
Not so much, just a movie.
Oh, okay.
Bro, what's up? Your wife, are you guys quarreling or something?
No, why?
I mean, you just walked in, no hug. You didn't hug her, she didn't hug you.
Are you serious?
And the hey thing.
My brother, I don't need a hug, okay? He doesn't give me money. Doesn't put money in my pocket, okay? You're talking about hug. Eating ice cream. You're going back 20 years, bro. How old are you? Say a hug.
But she hugged me when I came back. Maybe I'm just overthinking things. But what's up with the hey thing? Why would he say that to her?
Do you need anything?
No, I'm okay for now.
Okay, if you need anything, I'll be downstairs.
I might be needing something very soon, though. Is she getting too close to my brother? I mean, should I be worried? Nah, of course not. I mean, Thelma can't do that to me. And Chuks, nah, I trust him. I should be glad he's keeping her company, because she could be complaining and nagging right now.
They are real people. The crowd, they're real.
No, I don't think so. Look at it now.
I'm telling you, they're real people. Everybody you see here, are real human beings. They don't play.
How did they do that?
Yeah, it's a crowd now. They know how to, the PM, whatever, they know how to organize the whole thing.
Wow.
Okay, what I will tell you is maybe the whole crowd is not real, but from half of the crowd to the front of the crowd, it's real.
How did you know that?
I don't know. Even here in Nigeria, they
Did
make
you
it
bet?
real. Yes, I'll not talk over there. What's the time? It should be past midnight by now. We need to go to bed.
Let's wait a little bit longer.
No, we need to go to bed. It's late.
Please.
Okay.
Please.
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
That's too short.
10 minutes.
Alright, fine. It's better than never. Oh.
Look at that.
At this point, I can't help or stop myself. I want Chuks. Fred is at work. We are all alone. I want him. I really do. I think I have fallen in love with him. I can't wait even for a day more. I just want him today. Now.
My love is drifting away. My feeling is fading. I wish you can hear my voice and save us from falling.
Chuks!
Hi. No. Don't worry. Don't worry. I can do that myself, okay? Thank you.
Come on, stop it. Let me help you. You know you do so much for me. Let me reciprocate, okay?
No. Stop. You don't have to reciprocate, okay? Loving my brother is enough. You are our wife, okay? It's my duty to take care of you, so thank you very much.
Your wife.
Yeah, our wife. My beloved sister-in-law.
Okay, speaking of taking care of me, I want a massage.
A massage?
Yes,
Like right now?
right now.
Okay. I have a meeting later today, but I'll do that before going.
Okay. Sorry. Let me...
Telma, thank you. It's enough. Okay. Thank you.
It's fine.
I'll drop this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could she be falling for me? Or worst, lusting after me? If it is so, then I need to end it before it gets out of control. Maybe I need to stay away from her for the moment. Talk to her brother Fred to perform his duties as a husband. I mean, Telma is an angel. He must not make a demon out of her.
Hello.
Hi.
You going?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a beautiful, successful day.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
What's going on? Why hasn't he called me? This is unlike him. Switched off. Or should I call Fred? No, 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 no. After everything I have done for him, he has the guts to cheat on me. Switched off. I hope he's okay. Shoot.
Hi.
Where have you been?
Out?
Like, are you okay?
Yeah, fine.
What happened? You didn't call me, you didn't text me. It's unlike you.
I was busy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're now too busy for me.
Sis, come on.
Oh, please don't call me that. I am not your sister.
Okay, Telma. I am sorry, but I didn't think the call was necessary. Okay?
But you know I can't stay without hearing your voice.
Why? I'm just your brother-in-law.
And friend.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Telma. Please. We need to set boundaries to this friendship then.
Why? Why did you let me get used to your closeness?
It can get bad. It can get really bad, okay? I'm sorry, but we need to control this before it gets out of hand. You're my brother's wife, and there has to be boundaries between us. Okay? I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Alright? Don't worry. you'll be fine. Alright? If you'll excuse me.
This one you're going to bed early. Are you keeping malice with Chuks? T. Telma.
I'm coming. Hey, bro.
Broski.
It's good. Morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
How was your night?
Yeah. What's up with Telma? I mean, she's been sad lately. You're supposed to keep her happy, keep her company. What's going on?
Bro, last time I checked, that's not my job. It could get dangerous.
It could get dangerous.
Yeah.
You keeping her company and being her gist mates could get dangerous. Why are you so dramatic? What's dangerous about that?
Emotions could build up. Bro.
Come on, that's not possible, bro. I trust you and I trust her. That's not even an option.
Sometimes we can't control our emotions. So it's better not to tempt our emotions or expose it to where it's not supposed to anchor on.
Okay, you're speaking in riddles now. I don't understand. What's going on? What's going on? Huh?
Brother,
Uh-huh.
if we keep going the way we are, I am afraid. I'm afraid your wife might fall for me.
See me here thinking, are you serious? Come on now. You're not her type, bro. You're not her type. You're not her type. You're not her type.
Is that what you think?
That's what I know.
And for someone whose love language is love, attention, care, and kindness, trust me, anyone who shows her love and attention is going to have a special place in her heart. And you're not giving that to her.
Okay, wait, hold on. So what? Like, did anything happen? Did she fall for you?
Bro, all I'm saying is you need to perform your husband duties to your wife. I mean, come on, she's a good woman. You don't want to lose a good woman like her. You do not want to turn her into a monster. You still have time to right your wrongs. Because trust me, you are gradually losing her.
Okay, let's stop beating around the bush. What happened? Did she move to you? Huh?
I didn't
Did
say...
she? What happened? What happened?
I didn't say anything happened.
Then why are you talking like this?
Okay, let me ask you this. When was the last time she kissed you? When was the last time she texted or called while you were at the office? When was the last time she hugged you? Or better still, when was the last time you guys made love? Huh? Yesterday, I went out and I didn't call her all day. When I came back, she was so sad. That feeling is supposed to be for you, bro, not me.
That little whore.
Yo.
That little whore.
Fred.
My brother-in-law.
Fred.
Telma.
Fred.
Where is she?
Fred.
Huh?
Fred.
Hey, what's wrong with
Fred.
you? Huh? What's wrong with you? Huh? You cheap slut. So you want to pick between two brothers? That's what's going on now? Pick. Is it him or me?
Fred.
What?
Don't be like that.
Don't be like what? She's hitting or you shouldn't be hitting on my brother.
I never told you she was hitting on me.
What if I am?
What?
Yes, Fred. I have fallen for your brother. Unfortunately, he won't let me in. I guess he's loyal to you. I am tired. Fred, I am tired of this one-sided love and having nothing in return. I am tired of being rejected, neglected, and being treated like I am nobody. I know you're cheating on me. I saw your slot's message. You know what? I am tired. I am tired of this marriage. This marriage is over. I am done. Nonsense.
My love is drifting away. My feelings.
Are you gonna let her go just like that? You know how long it took you to get a good woman. You can't lose your good wife over a side chick. Come on, bro. You can't be with someone that goes around sleeping with other married men. That's not a good example for your future kids. My future niece and nephew. Think. You still have time. You still have time to right your wrongs. Go after her and make it right. Please, brother.
My love is drifting away. My feelings fading. I wish you could hear my voice and save us from.
See, you can't go.
Is that an order?
It's not an order, it's a plea, okay? We can do right by each other. You can't just abandon us. Come on.
It's too late. I have messed up. I am in love with your brother.
It's not too late, okay? Nothing is too broken to be fixed. And you haven't fought. It's not like you're in love with him or anything. Do you get me? You're infatuated, right? Because he's nice. He's a kind guy. That's what's going on. You're not in love with him. It's not love. It's infatuation. Okay? Please give me a chance. I'm going to give you the love and affection that you deserve. Okay? Just give me an opportunity to do that. Just give me like a month, a trial period, okay? Please. I promise I'm going to make you fall for me. And if I don't, you can leave, but you can't leave now. Please. Don't. T. T, listen. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I love you. Okay, and I'm sorry. T, come on. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yes, that first one. Is that the one you're talking about?
I don't know.
That's her.
The one that said it now.
Okay, I thought you knew her.
No.
But yeah.
Should be this, yes. See now.
Yeah. She's the one. How you look? Hey.
Hey.
What's up?
I'm all set.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be moving to the other apartment.
Great.
Oh.
Great.
It's closer to my business.
Yeah. Well, we'll visit this weekend, okay?
Sure. Respecting you guys.
For sure.
Take care.
Thank you, sis. All right.
All right, then. Do you need help?
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay. Cool. Take care of yourself, my brother.
I wish you guys all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate that.
Do right by her.
Of course.
Do right by her.
I repented.
Okay. All right, guys.
All right.
Take care of
Take
yourselves.
care.
Bye.
I'll do right by you.
You sure?
Certain. Why are you picking this guy's movies?
Yeah, I love scary movies.
Yeah, it's a scary movie. I thought we were going to watch something romantic.
No.
Are we watching this because of the actor or because of the story?
But I love this guy.
Wait, so let's change this channel. You're looking at him too much.
No, stop.
No. What's going on?
Stop.
I don't want you looking at this. It's like you're feeling, you have a crush on him. Oh, you're running away. You don't want to watch. Babe? Whoa. Babe. Babe. You okay? Well, do you want to go to the hospital? Huh? We should go to the hospital, okay? Babe. Babe. What's wrong?
I don't know. I just feel some kind of way.
Alright, we need to go to the hospital, okay? Then we'll go get ready, okay?
Okay.
I'll be down in a second.
All right, baby.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, brother.
How are you be now, you know?
How do you?
Congratulations on your
Awesome.
engagement.
Thank you very much, sis. I appreciate you.
Well, we have some great news for you as well.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
Well, you're about to be the latest uncle in town.
No way.
Yes, way.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, congrats.
It's about time, you know?
Brother. What? Congratulations, bro.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Congratulations. Look at you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow, I'm so happy for you guys. It's amazing news.
Yeah, well, you know, hopefully we'll get like triplets.
My eyes can see you, but I cannot feel your touch. You seem so close to me, but very far away. To heaven to hold, you promised me. My eyes can see you, but I cannot feel your touch. You seem so close to me, but very far away. To heaven to hold, you promised me. I'm married but single. I miss you, baby.